Hello, this is how you access the Epic library where you can have like thousands of books to choose from, which is a good idea if you are doing remote learning. That way you can just kind of see and read the book on your own online. So the first thing I'm going to do is type in the web address. It is getepic.com. Okay, so that is the website, getepic.com, and then I'm going to hit enter. And you should have a screen that will pop up like this. Okay, this background here will change, all right? So what you're going to do is you're going to come up here and click on log in. When you click on log in, this is the page that you should see. Okay, you have one for parents and you have one for student and educators. Okay, I'm going to click on the one for student and educators. Okay, now you're going to have to enter in the class code. Our class code is SWQ9596. Once you type that in, you're going to click the word go. So when you hit go, your screen will pop up and it will look something like this. Okay, so what you'll need to do is when you get to this part here, you'll need to click on your name. Okay, everybody has an account. So I'm going to click on this one because I don't want to click on somebody's actual name. And this is what you will get. You will get a whole bunch of different books that you can read. And you can see like the different comics, like Exiles. If you want to search for a book, you can search for a book. You can search for audio books. You can, do whatever you need to do to find out whichever story that you want to be able to read. But you can see they've got some popular series. They've got some top picks. So they got some top picks that will actually read to you. Some comics and different things like that. So this is how you get there. So whatever book you'd like to read. So let's say I want to read something by Big Nate. So I'm going to click on Big Nate and you can see all the books that they have for Big Nate. So let's say I want to watch the first one, All Work and No Play. So I'm going to click on that and it will give me this screen. And in order to change the page, you're going to come over here and wait till that arrow turns to there. If you click on that, it opens the page, as you can see. If you need to go back, you can go back. Just use the back arrow right there. But you can start reading at this particular point. As you can see, you can read all of what he has as far as in the story. So if you have any other questions, you can go ahead and let me know, and I will try to do the best I can to help you.